Thinking of using Jopper to manage your service-based businesses in 2025? Whether you are a cleaner, landscaper, HVAC tech, or run a mobile car wash, this video is for you. I'm giving you an honest review of Jopper, including its top pros, cons, and what is new in this year. So let's get started. What is Jopper? Jopper is a field service management software designed for small to medium businesses. It helps you with scheduling, invoicing, estimates, customer management, and even online payments, all from one place. It's especially popular with trades and home service pros. Pros of Jopper. Now let's talk about the pros of Jopper and how does it do well. Number one, you have user-friendly interface. It's clean, intuitive design. Even if you are not tech savvy, it is easy to learn. Number two, you have scheduling and dispatching. Drag and drop calendar, real-time updates, and GPS tracking make managing crews a breeze. Invoicing and payments. Automated invoices, reminders, and built-in payment processing. You can even get paid online or on-site. Client portal. Clients can view codes, approve jobs, pay invoices, and even book services online. Automation and follow-ups. Jopper helps you send appointment reminders, follow-up emails, and recurring job notifications automatically. The last con, but not the least, is mobile application. It's great for teams in the field. Your crew can clock in, check schedules, and complete jobs on the go. What is new in 2025? In 2025, Jopper introduced smarter reporting dashboards, AI-powered scheduling suggestions, and better integration with QuickBooks, Stripe, and even Zapier, making automation smoother than ever. Cons of Jopper. All of you know, nothing is perfect. Here are a few drawbacks. Number one, the pricing can add up. Jopper isn't the cheapest. Plans start at around $49 per month and can go over $200 depending on features and users. Limited customization. Some users say forms, templates, and reports lack some customization compared to competitors. No built-in inventory management. If you track products or parts, you will need to integrate with a third-party tool. Feature gaps in lower plans. Essential features like automated code follow-ups or patch invoicing are only available in higher tiers. Who is Jopper best for? Jopper is ideal for service-based businesses with mobile teams like landscaping, cleaning, pest control, HVAC, plumbing, and more. If you want to streamline admin work, get paid faster, and grow your business, Jopper can seriously help. Conclusion. Jopper in 2025 is still one of the best all-in-one platforms for service pros. It's easy to use, powerful, and constantly improving, but the price might be a sticking point for some. Try the free trial and see if it fits your workflow. Links are in the description. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.